First things first, appreciate your support. I'm back with the Avon washing machine. It looks good from the outside. Perfect. But look at this. Guys. Oh, I love my washing machine. You know, it was very expensive. It has served me well. Come on. A machine should not be in this state. This is terrible. It only takes less than 5 minutes to get the door rubber seal cleaned. Get a clean piece of cloth, wipe the rubber after every wash. Leave the door open. Once you're done with your laundry, leave the door open. If not, your machine will smell like shit.